Hello, welcome to Volintech channel. Today I am working on the vintage automatic watch made by Maido, and this is the first part of the video, and it will be about watch disassembling, inspection and getting ready for cleaning. This nice watch came to me from eBay, and I thought that I will try to make this watch to look and work perfectly again. The current condition is not so good. The crystal has multiple cracks and scratches. The band shows signs of long use. The rivets are pretty much worn out. The watch shows signs of life. It's ticking, but I don't know if it shows a correct time. The case and case back need cleaning and some brushing and polishing. A little bit history. Maido as a company was founded in 1918 in Switzerland. Maido comes from the Spanish phrase "yo mido," which means I measure. In 1934 Maido launched the multi-fork design, and the first Maido was using a self-winding automatic movement. It was shock resistant, anti-magnetic and water resistant. In that same year Maido launched watches with unbreakable mainsprings. This was also the very first time that any watch manufacturer utilized this type of spring within the marketplace. Today Maido is a part of the Swatch Group in Switzerland, and it also has a branch office in Shanghai, China. Here is a modern Maido watch I found on Amazon, and it looks very similar to this vintage watch, but it has in addition day and date indicators. The model of this watch could be read from the dial, and it is a multi-fork extra super automatic. Let's start disassembling, and we'll take a look how the watch looks inside. The movement looks beautiful. The rotor and terrain wheels are made from copper or something similar. Inside on the caseback I can see several engravings, some code number. then the brand name, the watch origin, which is Switzerland, statement about rustless steel, and the serial number. Here we can see very green rust around the crown tube. And scratched crystal. I will replace it. The movement model is 917R and it was produced between 1951 and 1960. It was built exclusively for Maido with the base plate of the AS 1131. This is a 5-spoke wheel sitting on the 4th wheel axle. To remove this type of wheel, Bergeon has a special Presto tool, number 3. But I decided to make my own tool, using one of the dentist tools I've collected over a long time. I filed the end of this tool to be very thin, so I can insert it under the spoke of the wheel and use the tool to lift the wheel up. And it works well. When I took out the dial, a small piece of something fell down and I did not notice right away. Now I found it. Let's see what it is. It is definitely a part of setting lever spring, and it means that it is broken. This will be another part for replacement. Continue disassembling the dial side of the movement and the keyless works in particular. And now is a balance assembly. Design of this balance is unique and Maido specific. It called the Incastar regulator, and it is the only large-scale produced regulator that has a free oscillating hairspring. The end of the spring is fixed between two rollers, adjusting its lengths. As a result, there is no isochronism error by the gap between the regulator pins that are usually used in many other watches. Looking at the hairspring, I can see that it's not in good shape and will need to be replaced or fixed. Now finishing disassembling. The main spring is bent and also has the bridle part detached. It also should be replaced. And here is the result of the watch inspection. I'll need to find replacements for 4 watch components: the crystal, the satin lever spring, the hairspring, and the mainspring. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time after I find all those replacements. Bye now.